There are over 200 million businesses on Instagram right now, and many of them are your ideal customers. This Claude Code system finds 10,000 of them a month and contacts them fully automated. We're going to use Claude Code to build a fully automated Instagram lead generation system. It's going to find thousands of profiles a month in your chosen niche, find their contact info, write the outreach messages, email them, check replies, and follow up with those that have not replied. Today we are building the basic version of this system. If you want to follow along, we are going to build everything from scratch, step by step, without getting too technical. And if you want to get access to the system we built today, just check the first link in the description below this video. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open Claude Code desktop on my computer. If you don't have it, just go to claude.ai/downloads to download it, install it, and then sign up with your Claude account. Now I'm going to click on a new chat window, and then I want to select a new folder. I click on open folder. I go anywhere on my computer where I have my Claude Code projects in there, or where I want to save this Instagram lead generation automation. So I click on a new folder, just call it Instagram leads demo 2, select it, select the folder, click on trust workspace, and that's the entire setup. From there, you never have to create a single file yourself. You just paste the prompts, you answer questions, and Claude Code will build all the files we need for the system. First prompt, this one doesn't build anything yet. It just sets up who you are and what you're selling. And by the way, every prompt I'm going to use in this video, there is this free guide you can get access to by clicking the second link below this video, so you don't have to take screenshots, don't have to type anything off the screen. And then I just grab this prompt. It goes over 2 pages. We get it in parts. That's the first part. Paste it here. Grab the second part. Paste it there, and then you leave it at Sonnet 5 and click send. Now, instead of me filling out all the settings, it starts to interview me one question at a time. The first question: what business or niche are you targeting leads for? That's the first question. I want to just use real estate agents for this example. What's your name? Type in my name. AI automation expert. What specific results you get clients? Well, I just let Claude Code decide. Just think about what a real estate agent would want to automate with AI the most and use that specific result. Now it asks me for my first key. So this is Apify. It's the piece that allows us to read Instagram profiles for us for free and extract the contact details. And you can start using it for free. All you do is you go to apify.com. I've also put a link below in the video description. And then once you've signed up for a free account, you go to console. You see you get $5 in free credits every month. And it's more than enough to set up this automated Instagram lead generation and get it tested. Then you scroll down to settings, click API integrations, create a new token, just give it a name, click on create, grab the key, copy that, paste it back in here. Now you don't want to share this with anyone, so I would delete this or change it after I have recorded the video. Now comes the next key, Firecrawl. Also a tool we can get started to use for free. This one can visit the people we have scraped from Instagram, their website. It can visit the website, and if they don't have their email address listed in the Instagram account, it will go to their website and scrape the email address from there. And just go to firecrawl.dev, click on start for free, sign in for free account, click to dashboard, go to API keys, create a new key, copy the key and paste it into Claude Code. Now that's the third key. This is optional. Like with this, all the outreach messages, the emails, and the DMs will be written by AI. So it will be more personalized to each contact. Now, if you don't paste the API key yet, because maybe you want to save the costs of $5 to $8 for 10,000 leads, so it's rather cheap. But if you don't want to paste your Anthropic API key, you can leave it out. And then you just get simpler templated messages that will still work, but just be less personalized. So I will just get my API key. You go to platform.claude.com, set up an account, add a few credits, and then you can create an API key, set expiration, never, copy the key, paste it in here. Now it wrote the setup files themselves. It has created a few files for me. So let's open my folder. You see it has created env file. This is where it stored all the API keys. You see that here. And we have a CLAUDE.md file. This is where it stored the instructions for my business and all the interview questions I have answered about my business, right? To make this Instagram lead automation work specifically for my offer, my business, for my ideal client that I'm looking for. Everything it builds from now on will be based on these files. That's why it's so important to set them up before you start building. Now the second prompt, step 2, the scraping. This is the longest one, and this builds the part that actually finds people. Let's copy that, paste it in here, and I'm going to explain to you what it actually does. Here you see it's quite long. Zoom out a little bit. Paste it in here. Click send. So while that is building, let me show you the two decisions in here that makes the difference between this working and between this being just garbage. Because first, what it does, and we've even listed it here, it builds a rotating list of hashtags. Because hashtags is how you find the business leads on Instagram, like the ideal customers that match your business niche and that match your offer and your target audience. So it builds different hashtags. Few for your industry, like real estate agent specific, then a few for major US cities combined with professional words. And each time this automation is going to run, it will take the next batch of hashtags and rotate through. So it will always find new ideal customers and leads from Instagram profiles for your specific niche and target audience. Otherwise, if you never rotate hashtags, it would always find the same contacts. And then this automation wouldn't really work. The second thing it does, that after it finds those new leads, it removes all duplicates before it spends any money. So every username we have seen gets logged, and before enriching anyone and adding more details, scraping their website, it checks, okay, have we already scraped this contact, this profile before? And it drops everything we already have in our lead database. So you only ever pay to look up profiles you haven't seen before. And this one decision and filtering process is the difference between $30 a month for 10,000 leads or a few $100 a month, because you always pay for duplicates. Now it's done. It scraped me my first leads. Let's take a look here. Well, we will later turn this into a proper dashboard. I just want to check. Yes, it found information. It found some email addresses. Good. Let's move on to the next step. The third prompt that's going to write us our outreach messages that we use to contact those people via email if we have the email address, or just via Instagram DMs here, and it will personalize those emails to those people. Let's get the entire prompt here. And the bottom part. Now it's done. Let's check one example. This is an email draft. Hi, Bid Easy Auctions. So basically it uses hi and then the name of the company. You're building something great as real estate agent. Love that you've built 925 followers as a real estate agent. Well, it will reference the number only if they have more than 500 followers. Otherwise, it will just leave it out. So you see every part of that email is defined in our prompt, right? The entire structure, and also a few rules, what it should write, what symbols it should use, what not. I don't like lots of emojis and stuff like that, so it should not use that, but it looks like a normal, serious, professional email. Would you like to know how to get instant IR follow-up and qualification on every Instagram lead? This is where it inserts what I help this person with. I made a quick video for you showing you how to do this. Now, if you want to change this email, right, in a different structure, you just change the prompt, or you just change the email template you use to that format. And then it says, I'm Fabian, AI automation expert, helping real estate agents close more deals without spending hours manually searching and DMing projects. And then it also has a DM draft. So if they don't have an email address, and then we just send them a DM, and that's it. So these small rules we have defined here in our prompt, they are the difference between a message that reads like a person wrote it or just a robot with your name on it. Let's go to the fourth prompt. Now we want to build our dashboard. So let's go on here, copy this prompt, paste it in here, and click send. That's done. And it even created me a shortcut on my desktop so I can access this file. So I just have to click on my desktop, and there it is, our Instagram leads dashboard. And this file will update automatically each time the automation runs. It adds new leads to that database. So we always open the same file, and you don't have to re-import anything or update anything manually. Now, what's really useful is the score. So it determines how good of a fit each lead is. So it pre-qualifies them already based on how well does it match the bio and the niche. How many followers do they have? Do they have a website? Do they have an email address? And then it sorts them based on these categories. So you can instantly know, okay, this could be a highly qualified lead. This maybe not so much. And once I click on one, it gives me the email draft ready to send, or the DM draft. So just copy paste. I'm also going to show you in a few minutes how I automated the email sending as well. Now let's run this for real on a small batch. So let's do that. Let's copy this prompt. You see it's really, really short. Okay. It scraped 95 new profiles, and it found 80 new ones and added them to my sheet. And then it also automatically opened this for me. I didn't open it, so it automatically does that for me. And it updated the sheet. You see, now we have 95 leads, 39 with email. So that's worth paying attention to, because not every business puts their email address on their Instagram or even on their website. So now we see, right, it's almost 40% of those scraped Instagram profiles we got the email address from. And this can vary based on what niche you're in and what target audience you're after. Now, before we continue, let's actually ask Claude how much it costs me. How much does it cost me now on average to scrape like 100 profiles, and how much do I spend per email address I get? So I can estimate how much this would cost me at scale of 1,000 profiles scraped a month up to 10,000 a month. And I want to look at actually here, okay, it does cost me $1.15 per 100 profiles scraped, and it's around 3 cents per email obtained. Projected at scale to scrape 1,000 profile, well, would cost me around $11 to $12, and I would get around 400 emails. 10,000 profiles scraped, around $100 and 4,000 emails. Now comes the part that you have all been waiting for. How do we turn this process into an automation? Because that is what I have promised you at the beginning. And that's actually really simple to do. And let's go back to that, because we only need this prompt. It's rather short. Let's paste it in here. So before you set it up for 8 a.m. every day, do a test run 2 minutes from now, so I can check if the automated scheduling works. I will close Claude Code and close Claude Desktop entirely, because this is going to run even if Claude Code is closed. The only thing that needs to be on is my computer. So let's see if it can automatically run it. And while we're waiting, I want to tell you one more thing that is important. So we've set this up to run at 8 a.m. But what if you don't open your computer before 8 a.m.? It doesn't matter, because then it just runs when you open your computer. If you open it at 9:30, but it was scheduled to run at 8 a.m., then the task will just run once you have opened your computer. Now you see, it has just opened it. I haven't done anything. It has opened it and it triggers it, the automation. And that's exactly what we want. And this is how it would work after the schedule. So every day at 8 a.m. or whatever day or time you choose, you can run it multiple times a day, or just Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, right? You can set it up to whatever frequency you need. And the dashboard automatically pops open. You see Claude Code is still closed. So it runs completely independent. One honest thing before I show you the last piece, what we've built here, it already writes the messages, right? But it doesn't send them. And that's on purpose for the first try, because you need to open the messages, you need to read through them. And then once you approve, okay, I like this style of outreach messages, they work for you, then the next step is to automate them. But you don't want to automate them with just sending all messages or emails at once, because this will get you blocked with the other inboxes and you land in a spam folder. That's why I spent a few more hours developing this Instagram lead generation automation. Not just that it automatically sends those emails, but it also spaces them out throughout the day, and then it checks the replies and sends those people a follow-up message after a few days. It sent me the email automatically, and then I replied, yes, I'm interested. And it sent me another email to this account, and I did not reply, and then it sent me a follow-up message. Hey, just wanted to follow up on my last message, no worries at all. And then it will also automatically update this sheet, and it will say every day how much emails were sent, how many were replied, and it will also add another part here, how many follow-ups were sent. So you have basically a CRM, a dashboard that tracks everything for you, and everything is running in the background. And all you have to do is you go check your email inbox from time to time, or even just check this dashboard, because it will mark, hey, this lead is interested. They replied, yes, I'm interested. So this should be marked as interested lead. And then you just go into your inbox and you take over the message, right? Whatever your next step in your sales process is. Now I've turned the entire system, that includes the automated emails, into a installation file that's actually just a zip folder, like this folder. This is what you get if you click the first link below this video, and you just unzip it, and then you go into Claude Code, just start a new session, and then you add this folder, just add this unzipped folder here, and then you just click on, just tell it to run it, install this for me. And then it walks you through the step, installs everything for you, and then you have the system set up, right? It automatically runs whenever you have a computer open. open at 8 a.m., 9 a.m., whatever you set as your time, and automatically scrapes leads, right? You can change how many leads. At the moment, it's like 100 a day. And once the system works for you, you can scale it up 200 a day, 500 a day, right? 1,000 a month, 10,000 a month if you want to. And then it's going to run in the background. Automatically find those people, find the email addresses, and contact those people for you. Check who replied, follow up with those who did not. And if you want to, you can expand this. Add another follow-up message if they haven't replied to the first one, and another one, right? And if they haven't replied to 3 messages, well, then you can always go back here, copy that DM, go to the Instagram profile and send them a DM. But everything we've built today is yours. It runs on its own. You know how much it costs to run it, $1 per 100 leads. Set it up to run, and then it's going to run every morning. And then you open it and you can copy and paste the emails and send them yourself. Or you get the fully automated system. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my next videos.